Welcome to the Hospitality B2B Portfolio, the biggest trade event that we've ever done. We've got over 500 exhibitors, 15,000 attendees, 10 theaters with some amazing keynote speakers.
This year is very good because we're launching the Revolut Terminal, and this is a perfect opportunity for us to show it to business owners and business managers and get feedback firsthand.
This show, partners, customers, they're here, and it's a great place to be. I think you can probably hear from the noise around me. It's busy. That's the main criteria for us.
This is a fantastic show. We're the official sustainability partner. We love coming to this show. It's the only exhibition if you're interested in technology in the hospitality sector.
It's been a fantastic show. Lots of our key customer segments here, a lot of competitors too, but where we differentiate is Bitcoin, and it's been fantastic for us.
We are the leader in smart thermostats in commercial buildings in North America. We're launching in Europe, so it makes absolute sense to be here at this show.
We've been so excited with the show. We've got the only double-decker stand at the show. We've been able to look at the whole show and all the traders here too.
Hospitality sector is a massively important sector for Barclaycard Payments. We're delighted to be here to network with a lot of businesses, a lot of partners. It's been a great couple of days.
The show has been really fantastic, especially for hospitality. Lots of big companies coming to see Expert LMS, our learning platform, which specialises in hospitality.
I think from the organization standpoint, and I've been to a couple of events at ExCeL, I think it's top notch. I think the organization is absolutely world class.
Incredibly excited and honoured to be put forward for the award in such a high recognition event, with lots and lots of other sort of products out there that are amazing for the environment.
Thank you so much to our partners, our sponsors, and everyone involved in the show. What a successful event it's been.